Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. This module focuses on how AI enhances user experiences through personalization, conversational interfaces, predictive analytics, and emotion-aware design. As a participant in this course, you will learn how AI-driven systems adapt to user behavior and also improving engagement and satisfaction. So guys, what do we have on our agenda? First things first, we are going to start by talking about personalization in UI and UX, and then move ahead to talk about conversational interfaces, where we will be discussing about AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. After that, we are going to be talking about predictive analytics for UX optimization. And then finally, we are also going to be talking about what we call emotion recognition and sentiment analysis in UI and UX. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's begin with the first item on our agenda, which is personalization in UI and UX. At this stage, it is very important to understand that personalization enhances user engagement by tailoring experiences to individual users. AI-driven personalization relies on data analysis and machine learning models. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about how AI enables personalization. First things first, we have what we call the dynamic content generation. With this, AI customizes website or app content based on user preferences and behaviors. Next is what we call the adaptive interfaces. With this, AI adjusts layouts, fonts, and colors based on user interaction history. Next is what we call the AI-driven recommendation. With this, AI suggests products, articles, or features based on past behaviors. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move ahead to talk about some of the AI-powered personalization tools. First on our list, we have what we call the Google Optimize. With Google Optimize, we can conduct A or B testing and personalization for web experiences. Next is what we call the Adobe Sensei. With Adobe Sensei, we can have an AI-powered personalized design recommendations. Next is what we call the Amazon Personalize. This is a real-time recommendation engine for tailored content. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for us to have some practical exercise. In this practical exercise, it is expected of you to make use of the Google Optimize in order to create personalized homepage experience for different user segments. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, let's move over to the next item on our agenda, which is conversational interfaces with AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. At this stage, it is very important to understand that AI chatbots and voice assistants enhance user experience by providing instant responses, thereby reducing friction and also improving accessibility. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to understand how AI enhances conversational interfaces. First on our list, we have what we call the natural language processing. With this, AI interprets user inputs and also responds conversationally. Next is what we call the context-aware conversation. With this, AI chatbots remember previous interactions for a seamless experience. Next is what we call the multimodal interactions. With this, AI-powered assistants understands voice, text, and gestures. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about some of the AI powered conversational UI tools. First on our list, we have what we call the dialogue flow. This is a Google natural language processing platform for building AI chatbots. Next is what we call the IBM Watson Assistant. This is an AI powered chatbot creation tool. Next is what we call the ChatGPT API. This is a common AI driven conversational interface for websites and applications. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time to carry out some practical exercises. In this practical exercise, it would be expected of you to design a chatbot prototype using Dialogflow or IBM Watson Assistant for a customer support scenario. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time to move over to the next item on our agenda, which is the predictive analytics for UX optimization. At this stage, it is important to understand that predictive analytics in UI and UX helps to anticipate user needs and also optimize design decisions. Now, thanks to AI, because AI analyzes historical user behavior in order to make intelligent predictions. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to understand how AI uses predictive analytics in UX. First on our list, we have what we call the user journey mapping. With this, AI predicts user paths through an application. Next is what we call the proactive UX enhancement. With this, AI understands and identifies usability issues before users begins to complain. Next is what we call the churn prediction. With this, AI detects when users are likely to leave a platform and then suggests retention strategies. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time to talk about some of the AI powered predictive UX tools. First on our list, we have what we call the Google Analytics with AI features. Of course, we have talked about this earlier. With Google Analytics, we can predict user trends and behaviors. Next on our list, we have what we call the Mix Panel. Mix Panel is an AI-powered analytics for user behavior prediction. Next on our list, we have what we call the Amplitude. With Amplitude, we can have an AI-driven insight for product engagement. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for some practical exercise. It is expected of you to make use of the Mix Panel or the Google Analytics AI in order to analyze user behavior and also predict potential drop-off points. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's quickly move over to the next item on our agenda, which is emotion recognition and sentiment analysis in UI and UX. At this stage, it is important to understand that emotion-aware design enhances user engagement by adapting interfaces based on real-time emotional feedback. Now, thanks to AI, because AI analyzes facial expression, tone of voice, and text sentiment in order to optimize user experience. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about how AI implements emotion recognition in UX. First things first, we have what we call the sentiment analysis. With this, AI evaluates user emotions from text inputs. For example, social media comments and reviews. Next on our list, we have what we call the facial recognition. With this, AI detects user emotions through webcam-based sentiment analysis. Next is what we call the adaptive UI elements. With this, AI adjusts colors, animations, and interactions based on user emotions. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about some of the AI-powered emotion recognition tools. First on our list, we have what we call the Affectiva. This is an AI-driven facial recognition tools for emotion detection. Next on our list, we have what we call the IBM Watson Tone Analyzer. This is an AI-powered emotion recognition tool that is based on sentiment analysis for text input. Next is what we call the Real Eyes. This is an AI-powered emotion recognition tool for tracking user emotional engagement. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for some practical exercise. In this exercise, it is expected of you to implement a sentiment analysis tool. For example, the IBM Watson Tone Analyzer on a feedback form in order to analyze user emotions. And that's beautiful, guys. By the end of this model, as a participant of this course, you will understand how AI enhances user experiences through personalization and predictive analytics. and then you will move ahead to learn how to design AI driven chatbots and conversational interfaces. After that, by the end of this module, you will also learn how to apply emotion recognition and sentiment analysis for adaptive UX. And then finally, by the end of this module, as a participant, you will gain hands-on experience with AI-powered UX tools. And that's beautiful, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next module.